Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to turn on LED notifications on iOS. First, go to the settings. They should be on your home screen, but if you can't find them here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, right Settings, open them up, then just go to Accessibility. Accessibility. Now just go to Audio and Visual. And there it is, LED flash for alerts. Here you can turn it on or off. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.